In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download video from Google Drive. We'll keep this quick and simple, and I'll walk you through exactly where to click so you can download a video file from your Google Drive to your device without any confusion. To get started, open Google Drive and go to your Google Drive home. This is the main page where your files and folders are stored and organized. If you're already signed into your Google account, Drive should load directly. Once you're on the home screen, take a moment to make sure everything has finished loading so you can easily find the file you want. Next, look over to the left-hand column and click on My Drive. This section shows the files and folders that are stored in your personal Drive space. If your video was uploaded by you or saved into your Drive, this is usually the first place to check. Clicking My Drive helps narrow your view so you can focus on the content that belongs there. Once you're inside My Drive, find the video you want to download. When you see the correct file, move your cursor to it and click on the three dots next to that video. These three dots open the More Options menu, where Google Drive gives you additional actions you can take on that file. If you don't see the dots right away, hover your mouse over the file name and they should appear. After the menu opens, click on Download. As soon as you do that, Google Drive will begin preparing the file and downloading it to your computer. Depending on the size of the video and the speed of your internet connection, this may take a few moments. Larger video files can take longer, so just give it a little time if the download doesn't start instantly. Once the download is complete, you'll usually find the video in your device's Downloads folder, unless your browser is set to save files somewhere else. If needed, you can also check your browser's download bar or download history to open the file right away. That's all it takes to download a video from Google Drive. Go to your Google Drive home, open My Drive, click the three dots next to the video, and select Download. If you follow those steps carefully, your video should be saved to your device in just a few clicks.